Rozy, and I am here to tell you about IT and IT's industry. Now, first one is what is IT or information technology? That refers to the technology that involve development, maintenance, and use of computer system, software, and network for processing and distribution of different kind of information. Now, the second term is ICT, that stands for Information and Communication Technology, and that is an extended form of IT or information technology. ICT involves integration of telecommunication infrastructure like your mobile phones, etc., with the information technology tools for better distribution of information by a kind of medium by which we can distribute or we can share the information with everyone. Now, information and information technology. What is that? Information, that is the result of data processing, and data refers to the raw facts and figures which are processed to get information, and that particular result is known as your information. All business decisions are based on the information available to the organization, and information technology is defined as the design, development, implementation, and management of computer-based information system for storing, sending, and retrieving different kind of information. Now, what is ITeS? ITeS stand for Information Technology Enabled Services. That refers to the outsourcing of process or service that can be enabled with information technology. Now, most popular services included in ITeS are call center services, back office service, medical transcription, all these things. Now, what is outsourced service? Outsourced service means a service which is obtained from an outside supplier or company through a contract. The ITeS companies are therefore type of companies that supply certain IT enabled service to their customer on the contract basis, and by which the main organization can focus on their core business. They can create a very good or correct product. Now, what are the uses and applications of IT? There are so many fields in which we can use IT, and we are using that in our everyday life. Everyday life, we can use the IT. In today's scenario, we are all dependent on IT. Anything could be done with IT. Like if you are using washing machine, if you are using microwave oven, then you are using IT. Home computing, library, education. In today's scenario, in Corona's era, you are using IT tools for education, and it makes possible your education to sit at home and you can gain the education. Entertainment, communication, to communicate with our friends, family members, with our teachers, with our colleagues, we can use the IT tools. Now, next is your business. We can perform the different kind of business with the help of IT. Science and engineering field. In the field of banking, banks are almost dependent on in today's scenario on IT. No even a single transaction can be done without the use of IT. Insurance sector, in the field of marketing, in the field of healthcare, to maintain the medical history of any patient, we are using the IT in healthcare, and government and public services.